mukonyi w'omurabi kiama gya Jubilee Musike Dr. Fred Matiang'i nigesokerie na kuikerio kumenyekana kwiriguririe maguta chinga kijitukira lero abananchi besoke emichi gokoro kurubekana kwe murunganire kumenyekana kwiriguririo okwana chinga kicho Musike Matiang'i nigo hamochire serikali asokorekana kumbi amaganio y'abananchi okorubekana kwigani gokwirira hogo tenena kwemiroberio bosombi ase chinsemo
have made so many mistakes and they have mismanaged the country in such a manner as it would be unimaginable how we will not be in a crisis. Sasa imefika hapo mahali tuko sasa. The country is at a standstill. Everywhere in the country is pain. Kila mahali unaenda. All of us since this weekend, mimi mwenyewe, I traveled up country. Even my expenditure on fuel together with my team is 2 times what it has been. Can you imagine an ordinary mwananchi ambaye anapanda matatu, anaenda posho mill, anaenda shule and so on and so forth. Na ukiangazia haya maneno ukiyafuata karibu, we have gotten ourselves here because of corruption and incompetence in the management of our country. We are headed in the wrong direction, and not even just the wrong direction. I think the worst is about to come. Brace yourselves. The worst is about to come, because the final product of our mismanagement the last 4 years, sasa ndio inaonekana wazi. Now, it is not going to change, because for those of us who understand the management of government and management of public affairs, you can see the level of anger and frustration in the country. Ukiongea na wananchi kila mahali tunaenda, na nyinyi mnajua, nyinyi viongozi wengine hapa tumetembea na nyinyi tukitafuta kura from Kwale to Kakamega to Kisumu to everywhere we have gone. The pain and the anger is the same, and because our government as Jubilee will not get into a fictitious and criminal agreement like that G2G and cause the prices of fuel to get where they have gotten today, kwa sababu pesa inaenda kwa mifuko ya viongozi. Sisi kama Jubilee hatuwezi kufanya hayo. We will respect our people, tutaheshimu nchi yetu.